Welcome to CoinBook. My name is Calvin Waite, and I'm a professional crypto trader. I really like getting feedback from you guys about the market, what you're trading, successes, failures. So I'm going to go ahead and start giving out a t-shirt every week now. What I'll do is I'll look at all comments from Thursday to Thursday, and then Friday select a random winner.
Well, look who's here. It's our correction we've been waiting for. I hope everybody is in a good mood today because this is exactly what we need to really get to all-time highs. I mean, let me just put it this way. There were really two scenarios that could have played out. One scenario is we would have gotten to new all-time highs. Things would have gotten really shaky. It could have got to 21, 22, 23,000. And then it could have gotten really vertical. And then it would have come down hard. And our most recent support is sitting here. Well, not even here. Our recent support is sitting at 14,000. And I've showed you that 1,000 times. On the weekly chart, you can see it right here. This 14 to 12,000 range is our last support. So if we get way too high up, way up above in here, falling back down to there will almost cause especially like on a monthly chart, it would look like a gravestone doji, which would be horrible. So this is exactly what we want. And if you think about it this way, if we can get through this correction, we're one more day closer to the support we need so that we can really have some fun and get up into all-time highs. So don't let this correction mess you up or get you discouraged because, back when we were talking about it, this was our 99% trade was that we were heading down. And it looks like we're gonna get there. The question is, and what I'm looking for is, how severe will it be? If there's a really governments and huge corporations and the world FOMOing into Bitcoin, like everyone thinks that is happening, this correction could be pretty swift. And if we can drop down, have a few days of pretty long candles, and then we wick down into 14,000, and then we wick back up. Sorry, I'm not sure what that is, but it's people are getting ready for Thanksgiving. So anyway, what I was trying to say is if we wick down really quick and we hit 14 and make a really long tail, and then we kind of curve back up around, it will be absolutely spectacular. So this is definitely good news. We need this correction so that we can really get up onto higher highs. So let's hope everyone enjoys their Thanksgiving meal. Don't let this wreck you. Let the perspective sink in that this is what we're looking for. And for those that had the guts to take that plunge, like we had talked about, like I had sold some right here, and I wasn't sure if I was right or not. But congratulations to those that had the guts to stick to their guns and take that position and wait for the correction. You guys are it's gonna pay off for you. But anyway, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. So the altcoin market cap has dropped a little bit in respect to Bitcoin price. So we're about 10.6 million Bitcoin as an entire market cap. And the interesting thing that's happening is people have this idea that if Bitcoin drops, that alts will absolutely get massacred or whatever. Well, the funny thing is that I don't know why, but a lot of people are looking at alts in terms of dollars. And if Bitcoin price goes down, alts would have to be going up really hard against Bitcoin to maintain a dollar value. So of course, if things are stable against Bitcoin, alts will sell off pretty hard against the dollar, but because we're more interested in getting more bitcoins rather than more dollars, we are watching for other things. We're looking to see if, even if Bitcoin drops, which we don't care about, we want to know, is our Bitcoin stack going to increase by holding alts? And our Bitcoin dominance really has not gone up a ton. Like, this is a pretty small move for how intense the sell-off has been today. Like, Bitcoin dominance went up by 0.38%, which is really a small number for Bitcoin dropping 8%. That means alts are holding in check pretty well. And if you look at the others' dominance, we've actually gained slightly against Bitcoin. This is great. Like, this move here and a little bit of green, this is going to set us up for some really awesome microcap gains. And that's exactly what I'm looking for. A lot of the structure in the microcaps are still in great shape. And so this will be a chance to snatch up more Bitcoin with alts coming up here pretty soon. I'll hopefully highlight some of those in the next few days. And I know a lot are going to be exiting the red zone.
Who else has cause for ultimate suffering? This is the sound my heart made when Bitcoin dropped on Thanksgiving Day.
So I just wanted to use TRON as an example, but this is happening all over the place. There are so many alts that I'm going to be picking up today and tomorrow. And the reason is because of this situation. I've been waiting for our pullback. We've had our awesome low, and then we had that day where alts just went crazy. And then we had a couple of days of just continuation. And now we're finally seeing a pullback. And with Bitcoin dropping, it's kind of helped with some of this formation. But we are definitely in line to start looking at picking up some altcoins here, because we're most likely going to create a swing low on this next pass, and then we'll finally be there. But if you see how awesome these lows are, 141, this is a level we haven't seen. Yeah, it's been since September of last year down here. So we've established a really awesome low, just a spectacular low. And then now that we're showing signs of life, and not just signs of life, but signs of support off of our kind of our top area right here, this is a great setup, and there's tons of upside on here. So I think the microcaps are just going to really do well. And there's just a lot of them. Digibyte is one. Here we've had a decent low, and then we had this swing high, and now today we're pulling back. This will likely form a bottom, and this is exactly where I want to pick up some of those. BitShares is another one, doing just the exact same thing. A little bit of a swing high here, and then we established a low. Then with this strong move, anything that pulls back and gets us back to here, they're just ripe for the picking. So definitely look at these. Look at the altcoin market. There's plenty that are coming up real soon. I think between today and tomorrow, I'll be much more heavily invested. I think I'm only long about 25 to 27% of the coins, and by end of day tomorrow, probably it'll be over 50%, I'm sure. Well, it's a shorter video today since everyone's celebrating, get ready for food and everything. So I just wanted to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving, and thanks for supporting my channel. You guys are awesome. It really, really means a lot to me to see your comments and get your feedback. But yeah, best of luck. This is great. I mean, we've been really looking for this correction, and Once we get that under our belts, the even December, we could even be back to 20,000 again, just because things will probably move pretty quick. But if nothing else, we're gonna have an amazing year next year, and this is definitely step one to getting there.
Okay, it is time to separate the Coinbook trolls from the Coinbook fans. So, these are the magnificent t-shirts that we are giving away every Friday. These are individually packaged with love from your best friends, China. There's also this incredible option designed by yours truly, and we'll be giving away probably one or two of these every Friday to just a random comment on any of the videos over the past week. But, and I don't blame you, if you absolutely cannot live without one of these shirts, I am willing to part with them for $15 worth of your favorite crypto. Just reach out to me on social media and we'll get you guys hooked up.